Hi, and a very warm welcome to this course, a guide to build a successful minimum viable product. This course is designed with one objective in mind: to equip you with the right knowledge and mindset you need to build a successful digital product. Before we discuss what this course is about, let's start with a short story. Alex had a great idea to build a digital product that helps people eat healthily by planning their meals. He did some market research, set a budget, hired 2 software developers, and developed a minimum viable product. But launching the product led to a big disappointment. There was almost no interest in the product, and he had no hope that he could return the investment spent. This same story repeats over and over. About 90% of the startups who start with a great idea and ambition end with failure. And while the term minimum viable product, or MVP, intuitively resonates very well with almost everyone, there's still a lot of confusion about how to apply this concept in practice successfully. So why is building a product anything but easy? In this course, we're going to cover the whole process to build a minimum viable product. And importantly, we'll focus on how to make this MVP successful. You'll learn what the steps are in this process. You'll learn what the critical points in this journey are. You'll learn how to make the key decisions during this process. And importantly, you'll learn how to apply validation and continuously improve your product during this whole process. This course is designed with an entrepreneur in mind, particularly startups who are building their first tech product. The course, however, is beneficial for anyone else who is interested in understanding how the most successful product companies build products that customers love. The content of this course builds on years of experience and work with more than 100 entrepreneurs who have been through this journey of building a product. Marina, your instructor, has a PhD in computer science and more than a decade of experience in product development, advising and mentoring startups, scale-ups, and large enterprises in various industries. We start with the basic concepts. This is where we lay out the foundations and explain key concepts like lean startup, product lifecycle, minimum viable product. This will give you the foundational knowledge you need to further proceed with the remainder of the course. We will talk about how to identify your market niche. We'll introduce some useful techniques to better understand the problem your market niche has. We'll then introduce some powerful techniques to find the competitive advantage of your product and develop your competitive product strategy. We'll then give you guidance on how to make some of the critical decisions for your product. For example, how to choose the type of MVP, whether to buy or build software, or how to define the key principles your product should follow to be competitive. We'll then discuss how to move from a product strategy to an outcome-driven product roadmap, and how to specify what features your MVP should contain. We'll then explain the process of design, how to do usability testing with users, when you need to involve a designer in the team, or how to keep the design process lean. We'll cover the best practices in the process of development. We're not going to talk here about software coding, but we'll explain how to set an efficient and effective process, how to manage this process, which skills are required, and how to ensure a good quality of the product. The last topic is about product analytics. You'll learn the importance of measuring, how to select metrics, and how to work on improving these metrics in a lean way, until you get a product that resonates well with your users, and until you can be confident that you have found the product market fit. At the end, we'll wrap up with sharing some key learnings and tips to remember. One thing I'd like to stress is that building a successful product is not easy. There is no simple step-by-step recipe that will guarantee success. Running a business is complex, as there are so many uncertainties. However, with the right mindset and equipped with a strong knowledge, you will drastically increase your chance of success. This is what you'll get out of this course.